Okay, hello guys, and welcome to my channel, Crafting My Way. And today I'm going to be using two of the cutting boards that I got from the Dollar Tree, and the scrap paper I got from the company called Echo Parks Company, and my Mod Podge I got that from Walmart. So I will have all of this in my description below. And right here, I'm just adding, a good little amount of the Mod Podge, and I will cut it out and add later a little bow to the top of it to make it, so it won't be just so plain with the scrap paper. And I will be adding it to my I did put it on top of my fireplace. I'm not for sure that's where it's going to be staying at, but for right now that's where I have it at. And I really do, as I said, like this company. They have a lot of little nice scrap paper with the stickers, which I was able to use both, so I really like it. And like I said, I will have it in my description below. And I was trying to trim as much of it as I could with the knife here. And sometime when you get finished with it, you can also use your sander, and that's what I decided to sand, just sand around it, give it a nice smoother look as well. And I just added a little more Mod Podge on the front of it and continued to sand around the little corners and edges so it can come out nice and smooth and cute. And just do a little shoelace bow, I call it, just to kind of go on the top of it to give it some, so it won't look so plain. Okay, and this is the second cutting board, and I'm going to, like I said earlier, you can use either side. So I decided to use the one with the little snowflakes. I liked it that, and I did them pretty much the same. Just added a little bow to it, and more Mod Podge. You need quite a bit of it on there, and it gives it a nice little finish here. So I do like the way it turned out. And the only thing you have to do is add your Mod Podge, sand it around your edges if you're, not getting that smooth look that you want. And then just give me an idea. You guys can also put it in the comments and let me know. Do you start out using what you already have from the previous year before going out getting more? Because I found myself having so much from last year that I need to add some things for this year, so I end up with so much. So just let me know, what do you guys do? Do you start out using what you have? My thing is, sometime I have a lot from the previous year, but I need some new things to finish off what I want to do for this year. So, but I did end up having these little cutting boards from before. So I'm just gonna add my little ribbon to it, and a little small pine cone on it, and it turns out really cute to me. Okay, and right here I have paint sticks. I did order these paint sticks from Amazon, and I also got my white chalk paint also from Amazon. So I'm going to just make a little wood plaque and just add some stickers to it that I got from the Echo company. And so right here I'm just using the wood glue that I got from, and it do sticks fairly well, from the Dollar Tree. I was very impressed with it, so it does well for me. So I'm going to use that, and then I also will use my chalk paint and put a little of the brown paint that I got from the acrylic paint from Walmart. And I did like the paint sticks. It was 100 in there, so it was pretty reasonable. I can't forget. I don't remember the exact amount of it, but I thought it was pretty reasonable. And it was 100 in there, and you can do a lot of your DIY projects with these paint sticks. So I really liked it, the way it came out. In which I do use also the jumbo popsicle sticks, but I really like the way the painted stick come out as well. And right here I was having a little problem because it actually stuck to my crafting paper. So I guess you have to be careful with that, even though I do have the silicone mats I could have used. But anyway, everything started coming loose from me having to pull it so hard before it was completely dry. But it didn't stop me. I just continued to glue it back together, and it turned out to be just fine. Okay, now right here. Okay, and this is the little greenery that I'm going to use. I'm finished painting the paint sticks, so I'm just forming it together to make it out a little wreath, and I will put it in the center and add the little berries that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'll add that all around it. And then I had stickers left, and I decided that I would add some of the stickers on the top and on the bottom. Did take a lot to do this, and it did turn out really cute. These are nice little small things that you can, add to, even if you decided you want to place it on your Christmas tree, put it on your mantle, put it in the tree, on one of your tier trays or whatever. You can always do so much with them. Put it on, at Christmas time, you have your coffee station, just to make, a lot of little areas in your home seem like it's Christmas. So this was just a small item, but I really liked it a lot. And this part you really can do with tweezers because the glue is very hot here, and I should have used tweezers to put it down. And I couldn't decide really what I wanted to do. I had the little stickers, the candy canes and different things that I had gotten from the Dollar Tree, these stickers. So I used one of the little bows. It had candy cane bows and ribbons on it, the little stickers, so I decided to use one of the bows to put on the top of the wreath. And then I used my stickers that I have